Now it's time for us to install the program that we have to use on this server, and I got the list already. It will be right here. So the list of the program is right here. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to SSH to this server so we can see the text is bigger. Remember that our login is Farouk on the host 192.168.43 and 55. Right now, just let's log in, and the password is super strong password in the world, 1234. Now get log in, and now I log into the server. So let me put this away so you will see the text is bigger. What we need is Vim GTK3, Node.js, and npm packet, and we get the other one I forgot. It's supposed to be Git as well. We're gonna need to use that too. All right, and for all the program that we wrote in here, we can install it all in one. So what the program we need is Vim GTK3, Node.js, and npm packet, Buget, tmux, powerline, vsftpd, unzip, and p7zip, git. So we need all of this program. What I'm doing to do is now I'm going to type in sudo apt install, and then we're gonna install Vim GTK3, Node.js, npm, so buget, tmux, powerline, vsftpd, unzip, p7zip full, and the last one is git. And I will put the flag -y just to confirm that we're gonna install this. Now hit enter, and then I type in the password, and then it's going to install all the package for me. Now let me close this down. Alright, all the package that we need is already installed. So if I type in node.js.v and hit enter, I'm going to get v10 right now. npm.v is going to be the version of 6.14.4. And what about if I type in vim? I'll get 8.1 version, so which is actually still not working for the floating window like in Manjaro. But anyway, it's fine. There's still one of the package that I forgot, so let's install it now. Sudo apt install Composer. We need Composer too because we're gonna run Laravel on this server. Okay, Composer is already installed. Type in Composer V, and if I scroll up, it's going to show me is 1.10, which actually the version 2 is already out, but you can do manually update. It's not going to update for you by this command, so it's okay, we can do that. All right, and the other command that I have to run is, so the command that I'm running is Composer global require Laravel /installer, because I want to be able to run Laravel command in anywhere. But there will be something to set up too. Alright, so that is it about this video. In the next video, we're going to configure vsftp, because right now I cannot use FileZilla to connect to this server by now without config vsftpd. So we're gonna do this in the next video.